Hello guys, welcome to Pool of Creators brought to you by Spade EMS. Spade EMS is an event management company. The motto of our company is dig out the hidden talent. The Pool of Creators is a group of creators and innovators out in the world to give them a platform to showcase their innovative and opportunities to connect with investors and companies. We are building a community to work together and grow together. Innovation is the creation, development and implementation of a new product, process or service with the aim of improving efficiency, effectiveness or competitive advantage. You all know this is a lockdown period. We have to maintain social distancing not for ourselves but for all of the world, for our family members, for our friends and for our fellow teammates. So stay home and stay safe. And let's start today's interview with none other than one of our teammates, one of my fellow colleagues, that is Shrey Agarwal. So hello Shrey, how are you?
I am fine with yourself. And you say?
I am also very fine, Shrey. So nice to have you here, and I am very feeling very proud and glad that you have made something for all of us that will change the world and help each and everyone in this world in this pandemic time. So,
Thank you so
Shrey,
much, sir.
thank you. So, we have a lot of questions regarding your invention or regarding your product. So, can you please give a brief thing like name of your invention and how it works?
Sir, my invention name is Suraksha Gira, which is belongs for the social distancing purpose, and the bulk of this project to maintain the social distancing in the market and industrial areas. Whereas the people go and purchase everything from his home appliance and every other things. Then to make this project, here's the idea. Then the social distancing to stop this COVID-19. Main thing is to stop the spread social distancing.
So basically, Suraksha Ghera, as you tell here the name of your invention.
Yeah.
Uh, from where you get the idea of this?
Actually, sir, when I'm at home and we will try to read some research paper related to COVID-19, then my one of the friend, Piyush Kachwal, uh, called me and sent me a research paper related to COVID-19. It is produced that the to stop the spread COVID-19, the main thing is to maintain the social distancing everywhere. Then we both of tried, हमने try करा कि social distancing से related हम अगर कुछ कर सकते हैं, then we will try for it. That's a invention named Suraksha Gira. It's created.
ब्रिलियंट ब्रिलियंट बहुत ही बेहतरीन आविष्कार कह लूं या फिर एक जान बचाने वाली चीज कह लूं आज के समय में लॉकडाउन का पीरियड था could you please explain to our audience that right now they are watching you in different platforms, where in LinkedIn, YouTube, or many other platforms of Speed DMS handles? Can you please explain to the audience from where you have arranged the component or the raw material for this invention during this lockdown period?
Sir, actually, in this lockdown period, to go outside the city and to get the permission of government authority is the most difficult task to make a project because at home we have no raw material for this project. Then my one of the uncle named Buddharam Chaudhary sir, then they will help me and meet me some government authorities of district Aligarh and हम लोग जब गए थे तो क्या क्या कहते हैं प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजमेंट ऑफिसर्स थे मिस्टर श्रीनाथ पासवान सर तो उनसे मेरा कांटेक्ट हुआ था जो हमने लाइव प्रोजेक्ट अपना दिखाया था उसकी रिपोर्ट एंड प्रेजेंटेशन वी ऑल आर सबमिटेड एंड द मेन थिंग टू शोकेस द लाइव प्रोजेक्ट to showcase the live project, we use the Tinkercad and Arduino.cc website to showing the project, what's the actual project and what's the working of this project. Then they see and they give the permission to went out the city and get the raw material of this project. And my Chachaji helped me find a place where we get all the things. हमें बीएम एम्बेडेड सॉल्यूशन नेम से दिल्ली में एक शॉप था, वहां से हमने सभी सभी जो भी रॉ मटेरियल था उसका वो हमने परचेज करा था, एंड देन वी गेट अ होम एंड मेक इट एट अवर फुली फुल।
Okay. So that things you explained that how you manage with your uncle and then you go to the project office, different things have happens. Now your colleges and your different organization and different things you they praised you a lot. So how you feel for that?
It's a very happy moment for me and a proudful moment for my whole family members and relatives and my colleagues and friends. Because when I made this project, first of all, the main thing is to show this project to the government authority. Then the Mr. Srinath Paswan sir gives me a permission to go outside and purchase the raw material of this project. And he takes a promise to me that when you made this project, firstly show me what the actual working of this project. Then हमने जब लाइव दिखाया था तो उन्हें अच्छा लगा था, बट उनका इंटरेस्ट था कि जब वो चीज पूरा रेडी हो जाएगी तो आप हमें दिखाइए उसकी जो प्रेजेंटेशन है, एक कंप्यूटराइज्ड प्रेजेंटेशन देने वाला लाइव प्रेजेंटेशन में काफी डिफरेंट आता है। तो उन्होंने देखा था, उन्होंने ही मुझे वहां से आगे करा जो भी उनके थ्रू ऑर्डर करा इंडस्ट्रियल वर्क के लिए। तो वहीं पर जो हम बैठे थे, देन द प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग इज गोइंग ऑन was related to COVID-19 resurgence. Then the DD National news anchor, Mr. Leela Sharma, he takes an interview in front of Srinath Paswan sir and telecast on the telecast. Then the all news channels and newspapers contact me with the help of police station, Mr. Anil Kumar, SO, Mr. Anil Kumar sir, and Srinath sir at telecast.
Okay. So great things you are doing, Shrey. And so, can you please explain your next step? Which features you are going to add in your invention or something like that?
Now then we get the materials and we have a good response of this project. Then we and my friend Piyush, we try to change this project and make some implement some additional work of this project. Then the other working of this project is we will try to make a scanning with a social distancing. Means when we scan the temperature with the use of thermal sensor, then the social distancing is not followed as you see on the television and everywhere. But we will try to do this thing at a 1 meter range. Then we will try to follow it work. And other thing is we will try to scan the whole body with the help of a particular distance and make a exact report of the person.
Okay. So I also see that DD News channel that is showing your invention. I'm really feeling proud for you, and all the Swedians, all the proud Swedians are feeling very proud of upon an success of a fellow proud Swedian. So you really made us proud. And so at last, what do you want to say to the world, say to our audience in this pandemic situation? Any your message?
As our prime minister and all authorities says that Indians can do anything. If that thing जो चीज पॉसिबल नहीं है, अगर इंडियन से उस चीज को कहा जाए तो वो कर सकते हैं। देन उसी के अकॉर्डिंग हम लोगों ने वर्क करा था। देन to this interview, I'm especially thanks to my uncle and my family members and my friend Piyush Kachwal and my whole team, which we worked in the last time at our university. When you remember that after the holy occasion, one hackathon is processing in our campus, organized by
Yes.
IIT Kanpur Web Nerds.
Yeah, you have went there. I think.
Yeah,
So.
yeah.
Yeah, you told me about that.
Yeah. Then my whole team, Gayatri Yogavines and Gayatri Yogavines Abhishek and me, all this project. And really thanks to all members because in this project we not work alone. We are work on a team because I work on a hardware. Other parts we decide our works and do a punctual work of this project to make it successful.
So Great talking to you, Sri. It's been a pleasure for mine taking your interview, and it's a pleasure for all the Spade family to that their member have done a great job in this kind of situation for the world.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.